Hello everyone, today we will learn about properties of multiplication. Now multiplication by 0. When we multiply a number by 0, the product is always 0. Any number. See here 25 is multiplied by 0, answer is 0. 46 is multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So, when we multiply a number by 0, the product is always 0. This is the property of multiplication by 0. Next one, property of multiplication by 1. Now, when we multiply a number by 1, the product is the number itself. See here, 56 is multiplied by 1, answer is the number itself, that is 56. 78 is multiplied by 1, answer is 78. So, when we multiply a number by 1, the product is the number itself. Now, another property is the property order property. It is also known as commutative property of multiplication. Now, see here, the multiplication of two numbers remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. This is called order property or commutative property of multiplication. Now, see in the example, one number is 23 is multiplied by another number 12. 23 is multiplied by 12, the product comes 276. If we change the order, that is number 12 comes first and 23 comes second. If we multiply these both numbers, the product will come 276. So, if we change the order of two numbers, the product remains same. This property is called order property or commutative property. Now, the next one is grouping property or associative property of multiplication. See here, while multiplying three or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way. The product remains the same. The numbers can be grouped in any way, the product remains the same. This is called grouping or associative property of multiplication. Now, see here by example. The three numbers here we multiply are 3, 2 and 4. Now, if we grouping first two numbers, 3 into 2 bracket close into 4. So, we have to solve this first bracket, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 equal to 6. Now, this 6 is multiplied by 4. So, 6 4 ja 24. Now, in next example, 3 into 2 into 4. In this, if we group last two numbers, that is 2 into 4. So, at first we have to solve bracket. So, 3 is as it is 3, multiplication sign 3 into, now 2 4s are 8. So, 3 into 8. Now, if we multiply 3 into 8, this comes 24. So, this property shows that while multiplying 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way, the product remains same. Here you see that we grouped 3 and 2 one time, so product is 24. In another example, we grouped 2 and 4, but product is remain same. Next property is distributive property of multiplication. See here by examples. Now, 4 into, in bracket 6 plus 7. So, at first we have to solve bracket. So, 4 is written as it is, multiplication sign is here, and in bracket 6 plus 7. If we add 6 plus 7, it is 13. So, 4 multiplied by 13. Now 4 multiplied by 13 is equal to 52. If we expand this bracket, so what comes? 4 multiplied by 6, here 4 multiplied by 6, then the sign, this sign should be here, and in other bracket 4 into 7. So this can be distributed into this form, 4 into 6 plus, as it is, plus 4 into 7. Now we have to solve bracket. 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24, so 24 is here, right? Plus sign, addition sign is given as it is. Then 4 into 7, 4 7s are 28. So if we add these numbers, we got 52. In this way we got 52, in this way we got 52. This property is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. If we solve by this method, 4 into 6 plus 7 equal to 4 into 6 plus 4 into 6 plus 4 into 7 equal to 24 plus 28 is equal to 52. This property is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. We have added this number. Now this property will be used as a tool for multiplying large numbers. In small numbers we can do by adding also, but in large numbers it is used, distributive property is used to simplify the multiplication process. See here one example, 145 multiplied by 102. So if we multiply this is a large number, so we have to apply here distributive property. So 100 can be written as 100 plus 2. So 145 into 102 equal to 145 into, in bracket, 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now we have to distribute it. So what comes? 145 into 100, 145 into 100, this plus sign came here, plus in second bracket 145 into 2. Now we in earlier examples, in earlier videos, we have seen that if any number is multiplied by 100, then we have to write number and write 2 zeros as it is given in 100. So it is 14500. 145 into 100 equal to 14500. Now this sign as it is, and 145 multiplied by 2, that is double of 145 is equal to 290. So we add 14500 plus 290 is equal to 14790. In this way we can use these properties in different situations. Now we have to recap how to see by examples these properties. We have one exercise. Now the match the following. If you understand explanations, then you can solve it easily. So the answers you have to check here. At first we have to find out the answers and then you have to check the answers. In this way you can be masters in the properties of multiplication. If you have any queries, you have to write comment in comment box. Enjoy learning.